Everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and I know we've got a lot of new subscribers. I am so excited to have you all part of the family. It's just so cool to see this channel growing. It just makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. And keep an eye out, next month in June I will be having a subscriber giveaway as a thank you for all of you who are subscribed to my channel and support me and think that what I do is fun. So today's video I'm really just giddy about. I think several months ago, life has gotten in the way, but a few months back, Heather from Belle Blossoms contacted me and asked if I wanted to do a collab. And of course I said yes, because I love Belle Blossoms. Ooh, my hair's, okay, that's better. She kind of asked, well, it was kind of like open-ended, and I basically said, you know, I've been doing a lot of things like clipping one side back with combs, so that would be something really fun to do. And so she was like, okay, I'll get on it. And just life sort of happened for both of us. And then I kind of reached out again and was like, hey. And she's like, oh, I have it in the mail for you. So this is what came. This is the Loretta comb. It is so pretty. I just love it. This is definitely, it has to be hands down, my favorite piece that she has done thus far. It has 3 of these flowers, and then it has some pearl and gold and crystal doodads coming off of it, and I just love it. And the card on it says, Loretta, a charming woman, doesn't follow the crowd. She is herself. And I just love that. And excitingly, this will be available on the website soon. Hopefully June is when she's going to have it, so keep an eye out for that. But I just love and adore this comb. So a little bit about the Belle Blossoms Blossom of the Month Club. This was the April Blossom. So basically it is a monthly subscription service where she sends out a hair accessory each month. It could be a comb, it could be a clip. Sometimes she has little extras in with it, like a scarf or something, hair scarf. So you never know what you're going to get, which is really fun. It's a surprise every month. She doesn't really do, what's that called? You know what I'm saying, right? Like when they release pictures early. I can't think. I'm sorry. It's MS brain. I can't think of the word. It's just gone out of my head. Sneak previews. That's what it is. She doesn't really do any sneak previews, so you'll always be surprised by what you get. It is, for U.S. residents, it is $16.99 per month U.S. dollars, including shipping. For Canadian residents, it is $24.99 with shipping U.S. dollars. And for international orders, it is $29.99 a month U.S. dollars. You can cancel anytime. You can sign up anytime. She basically charges a month in advance. So like it's May right now. So for May, you would be signing up for, I think, the June Blossom. I forget how it works. It's a little bit in advance. That way she knows how many to make each month for the Blossom of the Month Club people. So I have this quick, my hair's, I don't even know. I had like a snafu yesterday trying to do this video in my hair, and it just was kind of a disaster. So day 2, and it's not really, this side's good. Just focus on this side. Don't focus on this side so much. But I am going to show you real quickly how I did this little hairstyle with the comb and how easy it is to just slip it in and out. So that is it for me. Again, thank you so much to Heather Belle Blossoms for this hair comb. I'm so excited over it. I cannot wait to start incorporating it into my wardrobe, and yeah, I'm just loving it. Are you guys loving it as much as I am? Because can you see? Are you even able to see? Am I even showing you guys properly? I don't even know. Can you see this? It's so pretty. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so yeah, so that's it, and here we go. Here is how I styled this. Okay, so before we get into a really mini quick hair tutorial, it's gonna be one of those days already. Hair tutorial on how I'm putting the clip in. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more up close. I am just in love with this. So this is the Loretta comb. And here it is up close. It's like a pale peach mint green. I think it's looking a little bit more blue, at least on my monitor, but this is more of a mint green, and then a really creamy pink. And then you can see it has all these little like gold flowers and pearls and little crystals. Oh my goodness, so cute. And all of this is kind of it's all movable, so depending on your hair and how you wear it, you can kind of manipulate all these little guys up here to lay how you want them. And then I love that she wrapped the top of the comb clip in this really pretty gold ribbon, so it just kind of adds to everything about it that's so amazing. So let us see how this works out. When I first got this and I was just sort of trying it out in my hair, I was just kind of pushing it in on the side to see what it would look like, and I was really surprised just shoving it into my hair how well it gripped my hair and held on. It didn't feel like it was gonna like slide off. So she uses the combs that she uses, sorry, are amazing, and I forget the name, but it's on her website. It's like True Grip or something like that, I think is the name, and they're just the best. So if you have fine hair, or you have found that the ones that you find like at the beauty supply store, oh, it's gonna rip out of my hair. The combs that you find like at the beauty supply store, or of course, or at your drugstore, local drugstore, just aren't that great. I highly suggest trying hers out, because the ones that she uses, I think she also sells them on her website. So yesterday I tried to do this hairstyle, and then life just had other plans for me, so I didn't get to film it. So yesterday I had curled my hair with a 3/4 inch curling iron. I clipped everything, all the curls into place. I actually had to use bobby pins because, surprisingly enough, I only have 2 mismatched pin curl clips. I don't know what happened to all my pin curl clips, but they're gone. So I'm just going to kind of brush this out. And basically I just re-rolled it last night when I went to bed. I didn't heat style it, but I just took all the sections and re-rolled them the same way that I did with a curling iron that I used. I will link videos by Jennifer of Vintage Vanity and Heather How to Be Fancy. They have amazing videos on heat sets for hair. It's not my forte. So this is not going to be like the greatest hairstyle, but I just want to show you guys how I would wear this. And I probably should be using a different brush. This one's a little aggressive, But it's what I have, y'all. It's what I have. So I don't know what my curls are gonna look like today because I had to pin them flat with the bobby pins because it didn't work very well yesterday when I tried to do standing pin curls and clip them with bobby pins. Didn't work so much. Surprise, surprise, it didn't work, right? I know. So this isn't too bad. It's actually, the curls are held up a lot better than I thought they were going to. That one went totally straight, but we'll just hide them in there somewhere. Okay, so I have kind of a diagonal part. I usually do a center part, even with my side swept bangs, but I have like a slightly diagonal part for this. And then I'm just going to kind of play with this. My hair is really thin in the front, so I'm going to kind of do some light back combing just to hopefully hide that a little bit. And then I'm just going to kind of pull this side up and then make that look a little bit nicer. Maybe. Let me grab our comb, and I think I'm going to shove it in right there. And see? It's totally secure. I mean, how awesome is that? I just love Heather's work. She just makes everything so well. I can see the clip a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to take, where did I throw my hairspray? Here it is. I'm going to take a little bit of hairsprays. Always go under. And sometimes I find that this is just for me, but I find that if I have some curls that are not wanting to curl, if I scrunch them, back in the day, scrunching the hairs, that it helps. So, okay, don't judge the back if it doesn't look amazing, but I'm going to just spin around so that you can see. I'm not going to be wearing my hair like this all day, so I'm not going to worry too much about it being super perfect. But here is the comb in, and again, I just think it's so adorable. It's probably hands down, I would say, my favorite piece that she has done so far. Like anything on the website, anything that I've seen, I just love this. I think this is great, like for weddings, you know, to do, even if you're in a wedding and this is kind of the color palette, I think this would be like the perfect little hair accessory. Not too much, but enough to really, like, you know, jazz things up a bit. So yeah, so this is the Loretta. Let me know down below if you got this in your Blossom of the Month Club. If you're not part of it, I will have all of the info down below. And again, keep an eye out on her website because she told me that these are going to be available in, should be on up on the website in June. It won't be the same pricing as the Blossom of the Month Club. That's kind of the fun part about being in the Blossom of the Month Club, is that you do get special pricing and free shipping, but it will be available. So that is it for me. Again, let me know, are you part of the Blossom of the Month Club? Do you think that you would be interested? I'm going to be signing up in the next like couple weeks again, so I will be having more of these videos up for you all. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you like this, and thanks again to Heather and Belle Blossoms for wanting to do this collab with me. This was really fun. I was so excited to get it in and see what she did. I just adore her stuff. I can't say enough good things about her. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you all are doing great, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.